Salads are incredibly easy to make and also they're budget friendly. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make cucumber salad at the comfort of your home, and it's going to turn out creamy, delicious, and best served as a side dish. For this recipe, you'll need some mayonnaise, white vinegar, yogurt, white pepper, which you can substitute with black pepper, some cucumber, coriander, and an onion. Also, you need a grater, which you're going to use to grate your cucumber. Make sure your cucumber is clean before grating, and I'm going to be slicing into rings. Be very careful because the grater is very sharp and you don't want to grate your fingers. We're going to be grating an entire cucumber. Slice my onion. This is how the onions and cucumbers are going to be looking. Next, I'm going to finely dice my coriander. Transfer in the coriander into the bowl. Add in some plain yogurt, white pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add in half a teaspoon of white vinegar and salt to season the salad. Toast everything until fully coated with the mayonnaise and the yogurt, and you can substitute the white vinegar with some lemon juice. Give my salad a taste. Yum, so good. It's very crunchy and refreshing. This would pair perfectly with some flour. You can make the salad ahead of time and keep it in the fridge, and when ready to serve, enjoy some chilled, delicious, crunchy cucumber salad.